Welcome to my channel College Botany. Today we are going to learning phytogeographical regions of India as per Chatterjee and Mani. Geographically, India lies on Indian plate, the northern part of Indo-Australian plate whose continental crust forms the Indian subcontinent. The India is situated at the north of equator. It is seventh largest country in the world with total area of 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometers. India measures about 3,214 kilometers from north to south and 2,933 kilometers from east to west. It has a land frontier of 15,200 km and coastline of 7,516 km. On the south, the India project into ocean, whereas the Arabian Sea on the west, the Lakshadweep Sea to the southwest, the Bay of Bengal on the east, and Indian Ocean to the south. The northern frontier of India are defined largely by Himalayan mountain ranges, whereas the other country borders like China, Bhutan, and Nepal to the north side. India's western border touches to Pakistan, lies in Karakoram Range, Punjab Plain, Thar Desert, and run of Kutch Salt Marshes. On the east, Bangladesh is largely defined by Khashi and Mizo Hills. The Ganga is the longest river originated in India. The Ganga Brahmaputra system occupies most of northern, central, and eastern India, while the Deccan Plateau occupies most of southern India. The mountain ranges like Aravalli Range, Vindhya Range, Satpura Range lies in India, whereas plateaus like Malwa Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Southern Granulate Terran Plateau, Deccan Plateau, Kutch Kathiawar Plateau are present in the India. India shows two Ghats, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. The India shows diverse climatic condition as tropical rainforest, tropical monsoon, tropical savanna, arid desert hot, arid desert cold, arid steppe hot, arid steppe cold, temperate dry summer, hot summer, temperate dry summer, warm summer, temperate dry summer, hot summer, temperate dry winter, hot summer, temperate dry winter, warm summer, temperate no dry season, hot summer, temperate no dry season, warm summer, cold dry summer, hot summer, cold dry summer, warm summer, cold dry summer, cold summer, cold dry summer, warm summer, and many more, including polar tundra. India shows four seasons: summer, rainy, winter, and spring. India shows wide variety of soil types as black soil, red soil, laterite soil, alluvial soil, forest soil, and arid soil. India shows diverse in the forest type, the tropical wet evergreen forest, tropical semi-evergreen forest, tropical moist deciduous forest, littoral swamp forest, and many more you can look in the slide. Considering all these things regarding the geography of India, the phytogeography attains very importance in the study of India, and the plants occur throughout the Indian continents. The biogeography deals with distribution of organisms and communities in the time and space. Phytogeography is the branch of biogeography which deals with the distribution of plants. Phytogeography also deals with description of actual distribution of flora of different parts of the world. The plant communities present in the different geographical areas of world including India is widely differentiating from each other. The science dealing with origin, distribution, and environmental interrelationships of plants is known as phytogeography. The scientist Good defined phytogeography as a branch of botany that deals with the distribution of plants in present and past time. Therefore, the phytogeography is considered as important aspect of plant ecology. The study of plant geography can be done by two angles. First, static or descriptive plant geography, which involves assembling of floristic and vegetational data. Second, interpretive geography involves dynamics of migration and evolution of plant flora. The distribution of organisms in a nature is depends upon suitable environment for its survival, growth, and reproduction. Therefore, the knowledge of ecology, physiology, and systematics of concerned organism is necessary for phytogeographical studies. The India shows 10 biogeographical regions as Northwest Himalayas, Western Himalayas, Central Himalayas, Eastern Himalayas, Indus Plains, Gangetic Plain, Assam region, Central India and Deccan Plateau, Malabar region, and Andaman region. Each biogeographical region we will learn in next incoming videos. So dear viewer, you can subscribe my channel and press